We have talked about calcium oxalate dihydrate crystals in the previous video, and in this video, we are going to talk about calcium oxalate monohydrate crystals. So, first we have all those indications in this orange color, the indications in which we are going to see the calcium oxalate monohydrate crystals. Number one, it forms in the acidic environment if the urine is acidic. Then ethylene glycol toxicity. In that case, in this toxicity, you are going to see calcium oxalate monohydrate crystals in the urine sample. Then peanut butter, it is like very interesting, but peanut butter also there is a research in Chihuahua breeds that if they are fed peanut butter, the calcium oxalate monohydrate crystals are seen in their urine samples. Then sweet potatoes, whole grains, you are also going to see it in a healthy horse. So you should remember this. Don't When you are going to see, or when you are going to have a urine sample of a horse, this is normal, this is not pathological. Then also hypercalciuria is an indication for these crystals. As far as their shape or appearance is concerned, these are flat, elongated, six-sided crystals named as picket fans. What are picket fans? Basically, these are picket fans. I have added the clip art of this. Picket fans shape like this is the shape of the calcium oxalate monohydrate picket fans shape, and this is a picket fans. You can see this. I can use some color. Okay, it seems as like this and this, and then in between another log, like this, like this, and this. So they have the same shape. That's why it is called as picket fans. And this shape is specifically associated with ethylene glycol toxicity in dogs and cats. But it is not always observed in the urine of affected animals. So it is not 100% sensitive, but majority of the cases you are going to see in the ethylene glycol toxicity cases. These crystals are also called as Weddellite crystals because they were first discovered in Weddell Sea region of Antarctica. So, in that sea region, in that area of the Antarctica, these crystals were found. So, because of that, they are named Weddellite crystals. Calcium oxalate crystals have another rare form called as hemp seed variant or orzo, like a pasta shape. You can see this variant. This is a image from horse urine, and it is hemp seed variant. This is also a form of calcium oxalate monohydrate crystals, but it is a rare form. Similarly, the dog did not have ethylene glycol poisoning, and the crystals are assumed to be secondary to super saturation of urine with the calcium oxalate, which precipitated in acid urine. So, as I have told you that not always in ethylene glycol poisoning you are going to have these crystals, but also there are other conditions. So, these crystals might occur secondary to super saturation of urine with calcium oxalate, which precipitated in the acidic urine. And that is why, as a treatment for these calcium oxalate monohydrate crystals, you have to change this urine pH by feeding anything that will change the acidic pH to the urinary pH. And basically, calcium oxalate monohydrate crystal prevention protocols are same as of calcium oxalate dihydrate crystals that we have discussed in the previous video. So there are three shapes as far as calcium oxalate crystals are concerned. These are three. Whenever this shape, you are going to see calcium oxalate dihydrate should come in your mind. But whenever you are going to see these two shapes for this picket fans monohydrate picket fan, this is hemp seed variant monohydrate crystal. And you should now remember these three shapes that are related to calcium oxalate. That was all about calcium oxalate crystals. I hope you liked the video. Again, guys, content making takes a lot of effort. Do like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. And come back for the next crystal in the next video.